Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm going to show you how to long and short trade crypto with leverage on the Bybit exchange. So it's really easy, guys. The first thing you'll do is sign up, of course. So you got to create an account. So what you're going to do is click the top link in the description and the pinned comment, and if you sign up now and start trading, you will get up to 4,000 USDT in rewards. Not only that, guys, since yesterday Bybit is celebrating 10 million users with zero fees on spot and amazing perks. So if you don't want to pay fees anymore, just sign up on Bybit. So after you sign up on Bybit, the next step you gotta do is put Bitcoin or crypto on your wallet. So you have two options. The first one is buy crypto. So if you click on buy crypto, guys, the easiest way is click and buy. So basically you got a lot of things to do. You got SEPA, Maestro, credit card, Google Pay, everything as well. So if you want to deposit euro with zero fees as well, you can do everything. The second way is to deposit crypto. So basically you go to your assets, and let's say we're going to go to our spot wallet. That's the easiest. And what I like to do always is deposit USDT. So you just click on deposit, and then I always select Binance Smart Chain because the fees are really low, and that's how I deposit, guys. So now you know how to deposit crypto and how to sign up. So the next thing is, of course, what you all came for is how to short and long trade. So what you're gonna do is go to derivatives and go to invert contracts and select the coin you want to do. So I bought Ethereum, so let's go to Ethereum. If you bought Bitcoin, you go to Bitcoin. That's how easy it is. But now, as you can see, guys, I got zero equity on my derivative account. So how are you gonna put money on this account? I'm gonna show you right now. So you're just going to click here on transfer, and then from your spot wallet, you see this is the amount I had on my spot wallet. I'm just going to click all for the video and just going to confirm. And then if we wait a couple of seconds, you can see that I finally have money in my futures or leverage account. So to begin with, you have two kinds of margin modes. You have cross and isolated. Cross is between everything you have, like every different margin, and isolated is the one you're doing right now. I would recommend isolated because it's the easiest and it secures better for you. So let's take isolated 10x. So now we're gonna select. So you have two different options. You have limit order or market order. Market order, you just have to say how much you want to trade, and limit order, you can choose how much. So let's just make limit order because market order is really easy. So we're seeing that people are selling for $15.49. Let's make a price of like $15.50, even that will buy immediately. And then let's just take 50% of our crypto. So as you can see, 50%, but we did 10x, so we had $17, but we made it 170 because we did 10x. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to long this. So for long, you're gonna step up with a stop loss. So let's say we're longing, we're starting at 1550. We want to take profit. Let's say we're bullish on 1900. This will make sure we will have a return of investment of 184%. So Ethereum is only going to go up 18%, but we're going to make 180%. So basically, our profits will be something like $30 on $17, which is really nice. So the more money, of course. And we're going to make a stop loss as well, because we don't want money from our account to be lost, of course, because if the price drops really hard, you will have to buy the difference. So always put a stop loss, and you can choose. If you want to put 5%, that means if you lose 5% with stop, but you will already stop at 1541, so the chances are really big. So let's say we put 50%, then it's 1475. You can also work with percentage, like let's say I want to put 90%, that will make sure that at 1421 I will lose 90%, but not more. So that's how you long, guys. So longing is basically you're gonna tell that the price is going up, and if you're gonna put a price here, and then you're gonna see how much you return on investment is. Then the next thing is how do you short, guys? So shorting is quite the opposite. When shorting, you're gonna say that the price is gonna drop. So we're gonna start at 1550 and we're gonna say I'm gonna want to take profit at 1200. As you can see, at 1200 I will have 300% profit. And then of course the stop loss would be the opposite, so 50% means when Ethereum reaches 1631 I will lose 50% but keep my other 50%, and then you just click sell short. So that's how you do longing and shorting. So basically, again, longing or long trading is that you predict that the price goes up, and short selling is that you predict that the price goes down. Then another question that people are going to ask, but yeah, if I have money in my derivative account, how do I get it back to my spot? Because when I click on transfer, you cannot select another one. So that's why I'm going to help you guys once again. You just go to assets, spot wallet, guys. So really easy. And then you're just gonna do transfer on this one, and then you're gonna select from the derivatives wallet to your spot wallet. I have Ethereum, so I'll put Ethereum. I'm gonna put all, and then I'm just gonna confirm, and as you can see, it's already back in my spot wallet. And if I wanna like put it on another exchange or wallet, I just click withdraw and then gonna go back. So I have to put Google Authenticator to do that. I didn't do that yet, but that's how easy it is, guys. So tell me what you thought about it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until the next time.